What I have behind me is the OneTigris Stella Tent. It is time to perform a rain test with this shelter to see just how storm-worthy and waterproof it is. This is a test that I'm very excited to perform, and my question is this tent going to leak? Is it going to be storm-worthy? The rain event that's coming in is a big one, and it's going to be impressive. Basically, we have a low-pressure system off the coast of North Carolina spinning up moisture. So already it's on its way. It's going to be here later on this afternoon, and it's going to rain throughout the night into tomorrow. Totals, they're talking about inches and inches of rain. So this is going to be an excellent test for this tent. According to OneTigris, the Stella features a 3,000 millimeter hydrostatic head rating, which is rather high. This tent should be able to handle any amount of rain that's coming its way with no issues. And that, my friends, is what we're testing out in this episode. With this rain event, there's going to be some winds, gusts up to 30 miles an hour, no real big deal. I went ahead, I staked this out, it's totally secure, and it's ready to go. I've closed the vents, the storm flaps are secure, and now everyone, all we have to do is await the rain. Before the rain begins, make sure to comment down below and state your predictions. Is the OneTigris Stella Tent going to leak? Together, we will find out. Good morning, my friends. As you all can see, it is still raining. We're now into the next day. It began raining yesterday around 5:30. It is now 9:30 a.m. So this tent has been out for a long duration. This has been a great rain event to test this tent out in. As far as the intensity of the rain, light to moderate, nothing past moderate so far. My plan is to leave it out here for numerous hours more. We'll come back and we'll check on it. As it stands, I can tell there's been some stretching with the material, but overall it hasn't been bad. Oftentimes it's the design of the tent that really dictates whether or not it's a big deal or not. So with the Stella here, the overall design of this tent is rather good, and even though the materials have stretched some, It's no big deal. As you saw, I was able to make an adjustment, but again, the overall design of this tent is very, very good. So while the material may stretch, it doesn't create any sort of dips or any pockets. So it's not something that you really have to worry about. Anyways, my friends, we'll let the rain continue. We'll come back in a little bit and we'll check on this tent. And we'll see together whether or not it's waterproof. After over 12 hours of rain, it's now time to check on the Stella tent. Did it leak? Let's find out. Good news, the Stella is 100% dry. It did not leak at all. I have to say, everybody, I am very impressed with this tent. This is a budget-friendly 4th season tent that's completely waterproof. As you all can see here, the overall shape and design of this is a strong tent. Even though there was some sagging, we had no pulls, nothing like that. This is a tent that I'm excited to continue testing, namely as we go into the winter months. We have a while, but you know what I'm saying. Anyways, I think this is going to be a tent that's going to perform very well in the 4th season. What do you all think about the Stella tent from OneTigris? Overall, I'm impressed. What about you? Everyone, that wraps it up for this episode. Hit the like button before you go. I do appreciate it. Until next time, everyone, take care, be well, strength and honor.